Hello and thank you for tuning in to Zippo Lion's Den. This video I would like to share with you a package I received from Riley66 just in the mail today. I haven't even opened it to look at it myself. So let's get that part over. And I want to give a huge shout out to Riley66. Great packaging. Always a personal note. Gotta appreciate that. I also have to appreciate that he always sends some of his cool stickers for his business. And otherwise, I love the Zippo sticker. I'll have to figure out something to do with that. And this is what I ordered from him. I love how he wraps them. Very good packaging. And this is number 48768 Zippo Script Collectable. Make sure I don't rip the box. Alright, here we have the front. Nice little gift box. Zippo Script Logo Collectible Armor Rose Gold Case with Rose Gold Insert, commemorating 75 years since this stylized logo was adapted for widespread use. The Zippo Script Logo Collectible replicates the iconic design with luxurious deep carved engraving which appears on both sides of the piece. This limited edition keepsake is consecutively numbered, features a first ever rose gold insert, and is authenticated with a vintage inspired bottom stamp. So that's the stamp it should have on the bottom. Here's the paperwork. And here's the lighter. Definitely has a really good shine to it, I'll give it that. Beautiful looking piece. But now, let's get this thing out of the box here. Here we go. Mainly so I can get that sticker out from behind it. Nice box. And here's the Zippo. Beautiful lighter. Has some carving front and back. And there's their unique bottom stamp. Wobbly hinge, but it's not like I'm ever going to use it anyway. And here's the insert. D2023. So April 2023 is the insert. Let's get this out of here. Always make sure to take the flint out. I don't want to be playing with this too much. Yeah, the lid does wiggle a little bit, but not too bad. Ooh, nice low number. Number 2,689 out of 17,500. I'll take that. Once again, big shout out and a huge thank you to Mr. Chuck Riley at Riley66. If you haven't checked out his website, you should. He has good deals on Zippos, has some unique lighters that you can only obtain through him because they are of his own design. and those are usually limited runs. But there's that rose gold Zippo. Glad to have it for my collection, and I hope you liked the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you.